Hey guys, it's Allie. Before I start this video, I just want to say sorry for my voice. It's really scratchy because I've been sick for the past like 3 weeks, so that's just my luck. Due to a popular demand, you guys have asked me how I make my DE synthetic dreadlocks. If you guys want to see how I install my double-end synthetic dreadlocks, I will put the link in the description and a little picture here. The first time I made my own dreadlocks, I made them with like a silver blonde type of Kanekalon. So I currently only have these dreadlocks that I've ever made in my life. As you can tell, my hair is no longer blonde. It's blue, teal, sky, whatever. So I decided to order a three-toned kind of like rainbow Kanekalon. So I ordered my Kanekalon through Amazon.ca. I will put a link in the description if you guys want to buy the exact same color and type of Kanekalon that I bought. Alright, so this is the package I received for the Kanekalon. I ordered a pack of 5, so I have like 5 bunches of Kanekalon in this pack. I already opened the package to check out the Kanekalon before I recorded this video, but it says on the package MS Charm, and it says make you more charming, because you know, who doesn't want to be charming? Hopefully I'll be able to look like a beautiful mermaid after this. Alright, so like I said, I already opened one pack before I recorded this video, and basically the colors go from dark purple to blue to like a pinky violet light pastel. God, do I love Kanekalon like so much, you guys. I literally love this. Obviously my hair isn't this color, but hopefully in a couple washes I'll be able to dye my hair purple, blue, pink, and then after it'll match. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys the technique on how I dread my synthetic Kanekalon. Pre-warning, it literally takes forever to make dreadlocks. So if you guys are thinking this is gonna take 20 minutes to make, no. Like, this is a full-on weekend job. Like, you're gonna be there for a couple hours. Just a pre-warning, have some time on your hands when you're making dreadlocks, because it's gonna be a while. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what you're gonna need to make your dreadlocks is obviously your Kanekalon, a fine tooth comb, a small like face cloth or something you don't use, a water spray bottle, and a straightening iron. Because we're technically kind of melting the plastic in a certain shape, I don't recommend that you guys do this in a very closed room. Make sure the windows are open, or do it in the garage, or somewhere where the air will flow. You guys could use the water and cloth method, or you guys could steam your synthetic dreadlocks in place. But I personally have been used to doing the water and cloth method, so that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so I just turned my straightening iron on. I'm not using the straightening iron I normally use for my hair. This one I have separately for making dreadlocks because it kind of does smell like burnt plastic after a while. So the first step is dividing your Kanekalon in the thickness of the dreadlocks you'd like. This can get very messy and you're gonna need quite a bit of patience, but it's totally worth it in the end. This is one pack of Kanekalon, and normally I think the last time I separated them into 7 different sections. Depending on the thickness you separate them in, you're going to get more if you separate smaller sections. So I ended up separating them into 7 parts. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a dreadlock. Okay, so what I normally do is I tie the middle of the dread. So this is where my root is going to be, and this is where my ends are going to be. So we're going to dread one side, then dread the middle, then dread the other side. So I'm going to lay down my dread, and I'm going to have to hold the middle bit down so that when I'm pulling on it, it doesn't fly back. So I'm going to use a weight, or you can like wrap it around your toe or something so that it doesn't come off. So the technique is very simple: back comb, roll, back comb, roll, back comb, roll. And then we're going to take our cloth and we're going to make sure it's super, super wet. I just ran it under water and wringed it out, and then you're going to wrap the towel around the dread and then iron it with the iron. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and yeah, here we go.
the I can hear
So it's not perfect. Obviously, if you guys use a steamer, it's gonna come out a lot smoother and you're gonna get less of those like little frizziness. So once you have one side done, you're basically just gonna do the exact same thing from the middle down to the end. So basically rinse, repeat, and yeah, basically. So I'm gonna do the other side and yeah, let's do this. Alright, so hey guys. So I managed to use 2 packs of Kanekalon to make the dreads that I have now. Okay, so what I ended up doing was that I ended up making thinner dreads with the second pack. With the first pack that I showed you guys, I made the thicker dreads. With that pack, I made 7. And with the second pack, I managed to make 8 thinner dreads. Or I think at this point, I made 9 with the thinner dreads. But anyways, I don't know if you guys could tell the difference in thickness of the thicker ones and the thinner ones. But when you do apply them to your hair, you're going to see that it's a little thicker and you might have to take more hair when you separate your sections. So in total, with 2 packs of Kanekalon, I managed to make 16 dreads. And so that's basically how you make double-ended synthetic dreadlocks. If you guys want to know how to apply dreadlocks, you guys can go check out the video that I mentioned earlier. I'll put the link in the description. Just to give you guys a fair comparison of the first dreadlocks I ever made, these are what they look like. They were a lot thinner. I separated them a lot more than the new ones that I made. And I also ordered another color of Kanekalon, and I'll make a video making dreadlocks with those as well. I'm just like placing them on my head. What do you guys think of the colors that they turned out in the dreads? If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below and I will be more than happy to reply. So if you're gonna do a full head of dreads, I probably say buy 3 to 4 packs for your dreads. I did make a video on how to install the dreadlocks, but if you guys want to see me put in these specific color dreadlocks, comment down below and I'll make the video. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay loyal, stay royal. Bye guys!